Hello, my name is Tiffany Stepney, and I'm excited to share with you the Eudaimonia project. Life can be overwhelming, but remember, you have the power to find calm in the chaos. Let's explore simple techniques to manage stress and bring peace to your day. From mindful breathing to grounding exercises, discover how small steps can make a big difference. However, we can't do it alone. We need your help to continue providing resources in our community. By pledging any amount, $25, $50, or more, your support will make a difference. Thank you in advance for joining us on this journey. Together, we can create a more peaceful and balanced world.